Hello, amazing people. Welcome to day 8 of our VLOGMAS series. And this is all part of the Python tutorial series we're running on this channel. That's the Material Data channel. It's been a great journey so far. And in today's episode, we try to look at the Lambda function. And using this Lambda method or this Lambda function helps to, put your function in a simple one-liner. And that's very useful because it conserves memory and it runs faster. So the approach is just to call your Lambda. And then from there, we pass the dummy arguments. Say, let's say we are writing a function, we're building a function that's able to compute the acceleration of an object, given the initial and final velocity, and then the time it travels for. So let's say we have u, we have our v, and then we have t. We have to find the a. So based on Newton's first law, we have v minus u divided by t. So that becomes the expression what is to be done. So v minus u all over t should give us the a. Exactly. Okay, so now we can pass this back to the function name. Let's say Newton first. And we equate that. Okay, so now we want to call the Newton first on, let's say, a u of 0 and a v, which is a final speed of, say, 5 meters per second, and then a time of, say, 10 seconds. And that's what we get as our acceleration, 0.5 meters per second squared. And that's simply how to do this. Ideally, if we're doing that using the default function build, we have made use of the keyword def, which would have been something like this, def, and then the function name, in this case, say Newton first. And then we pass in the argument u, v, t, and then with our colon. Bear in mind, if you forget the colon, that would have produced an error. And then we have our expression, which can be v minus u all over t, which you can decide to assign to a new variable or simply return it straight away. And that gives you the acceleration. So it's the same approach of building a function that we've written it as a one-liner using the Lambda function. And that's how easy it gets to code in Python. I believe you've enjoyed today's session. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section, and the team will definitely put a response to it. We'll be able to get in touch with you and then help you understand it better. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and to our returning subscribers, we say thanks for the great work and then for still keeping up with us. It's been great so far to have you. Don't forget to like, turn on post notification, and then leave a comment and also share within your network. Have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.